Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. It's time for another edition of Scootervision. This week we went out to the January Kingsland Cars and Coffee monthly meetup. There weren't very many cars there this month because, well, it had been raining all night the night before and into the morning. In fact, it had just stopped raining when I got there. So, this is the video I got. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way. Alright, good morning, Facebook. This morning we are out in Kingsland, Georgia at the Kingsland Cars and Coffee monthly meetup. Now, it's been raining this morning, so as you can see, the weather's not that great, but we are still having our monthly Cars and Coffee. So, if you're in the Kingsland area and you want to come out and look at some cars or bring a car out and show off, we'll be here till 1 o'clock today. There's lots of nice cars out here, so bring yours out, show off, show out. We'd love to have you. So anyway, that's going to about wrap up this short little live stream to get people to come out. There'll be a longer live stream shortly. Even when I'm underway, quiet, no phone ringing, there's no way to vibrate, it's been stuck on
Don't touch anyone's car.
This is your boy, the Dashboard, and we're out here in beautiful Kingsland, Georgia, where we are at their monthly Cars and Coffee event. You know, as you can see, the weather's not exactly ideal for a car show today. It was raining this morning. I mean, it was pouring down rain this morning. But in spite of that, we did have a few cars show up. I really like this F-150 here. It is pretty. But anyway, we had some cars show up. It's a nice little show. Not too big. And we still have people showing up, as you can see by that car backing in. We got a little bit of everything out here today. We even have a car dealer trying to sell cars. I'm going to hold my opinion on that, but hey, you know, it's Cars and Coffee. People like to look at cars, so I guess it makes sense. Love that Boss 302.
It's really popular with the drag racing guys. Looking back now, but it was
So just taking you around, showing you what's here. It's not a whole lot. The weather definitely played a factor. They're going to be out here till 1 o'clock today. I don't know that very many more cars are going to show up. So I'm probably not going to stick around much longer. But hey, if you are in Kingsland and you want to come out and see a car show, they'll be here. For a while at least. So there's plenty of space. Channel news. We are at 105 subscribers, which is great. I am so thrilled to be at 105 subscribers. Didn't think I'd make it this far, but I did. So, anyway, I would really appreciate it if you could like, subscribe, comment, and share to all my videos. You get all my videos, and share it around to your friends that are car people. I bring you the car show experience. I bring you the experience of going to the car show from the comfort of your own home. Okay? I'm out here doing it for you. So if you appreciate what I'm doing, you like what I'm doing, give me a like, give me a share. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. It lets me know people appreciate what I'm doing, and it makes me want to keep doing what I'm doing. Comments help. It tickles the YouTube algorithm and makes my videos go to a wider audience. So please, do all the things that YouTube likes. Anyway, that's all for this video. I've got another car show tomorrow. Hopefully the weather will be better. But anyway, enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Peace out. I'll catch you on the next one. Hey you, yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.